Not everybody takes care of their paint, but you and I both know you're better than that. Which is why if you go right now, you can still catch the Avalon King Armor Shield 9 Black Friday mega sale, baby. The more you buy between Tuesday, November 22nd to Monday the 30th, the more you're gonna save. We're talking up to 45% off Armor Shield 9 and tons of free stuff. Unlike other brands, this is made specifically for DIYers like me and you. It's the easiest ceramic coating to apply. Anyone can do it. If you can wax your car, you can ceramic coat it. Ceramic coating is your first line of defense. It fills in all the pores and imperfections in your paint, creating a deep gloss shield that can protect it from everyday use for years to come. And dirt and water are gonna bead right off, leaving your car cleaner between washes. Protect your baby from dust, mud, dull paint and trim, bugs, bird crap, and brake dust. Your paint is the most vulnerable part of your entire car. Use a little protection, for goodness sake. One kit is gonna coat most average size sedans. If you're working with something a little bit bigger, like a truck or an SUV, be sure to snag 2 kits. Application is quick and easy. If you can wax, you can ceramic coat. Simply wrap the supplied cloth around the applicator kit, add some drops from the bottle, just work in small sections to apply it, let it dry for a minute, wipe it away, and you're done. Don't take it from some ding dong on the internet. Avalon King has over 3,000 5-star reviews from customers just like me and you. So get it while the getting's good. Score yourself up to 45% off Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating, and while you're there, catch tons of free stuff like wash mitts, buffing towels, car shampoo. I'll see you in there.